welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's drawing, I'm going to be doing a character from the Sanrio series. Here's the clue. It is a frog. Can you guess what it is? Well, let me tell you. His name is Keroppi. So let's get started. So starting off, I'm going to draw in Keroppi's eyes. So it's 2 circles, just really round circles. And then they're going to be right beside each other. Keroppi is a frog, a Japanese frog, and he actually was created in 1987. And then I'm going to draw in the pupil for his eyes, which are these smaller circles inside. Keroppi lives with his brothers and sisters and parents in a big house on the edge of Donut Pond. So if you really enjoy Keroppi, you can do like multiple Keroppis after this to make the whole family and the whole set. Here I'm going to draw in a flat oval and draw in a cup because I'm going to have Keroppi holding onto a cup. So here you can see his hand on one side holding on to the mug, the handle of it, and then here is the other side. It's like these zigzag lines. And then of course I have to complete Keroppi by adding on a big wide smile because he's really happy to be drinking. Let's think about what he will be drinking in his cup. Here, just completing the rest of his face. For each of my drawings, I really encourage you to think about what story you're trying to tell. That makes our drawing unique and individualized for each one, and so that later you're telling your friends and family about what you drew, you can tell them about like what kind of story or meaning you're trying to convey. So along the way, I'm going to give you some suggestions on how to personalize your drawing to make it a little bit different, but of course there's no pressure and you can always draw what I'm drawing as well. Here I'm just adding in a table for Keroppi where he'll be resting his mug. Here I'm seeing that he's just having tea by himself, but maybe the other option is to draw in another mini Keroppi beside this one, maybe a younger sister, and they're playing tea party together. That will be really fun. This Keroppi, for now I'm just drawing in one character. This is like Keroppi's foot on the bottom. And then I'm thinking like maybe Keroppi's really happy because he really likes the drink that he's drinking. What's your favorite drink? Is it apple juice, orange juice, maybe it's bubble tea or coffee? I'm not sure if it's really coffee, but maybe chocolate milk would be a good idea. So maybe Keroppi's drinking chocolate milk and that's why he's so happy. So here I'm gonna start coloring Keroppi using this lime green color. Of course, if you like, you can use different shades of green for your frogs. But did you know there are many colors of frogs out in the world? So use your imagination and you can possibly do like a purple frog or a pink frog, any shades you want. Because there are many frogs that are also good at camouflaging and merging with the colors of their surroundings. So here I'm going to color it green, but of course there's other options for Keroppi. They can do other colors like your favorite color, or depending on you're gifting this drawing to someone you like, you can color their favorite color as well. So here I'm coloring in Keroppi's face, making sure I color within the lines and not leaving any gaps. Of course, let's not forget Keroppi's feet as well. After coloring his feet, I'm gonna choose a color for the table for Keroppi. I'm probably gonna choose brown, but if you like, you can use like a color purple or like another shade that you would like. If you were to have a table in your play space, what color would you love it to be? Next, I'm going to color in Keroppi's shirt. For Keroppi's shirt, I think I'm going to do a stripy red, but if you like, you can do like stripy yellow, or you can do different shades of color. It could be rainbow color. So there's lots of ideas there to kind of make it your own. Right now, I also have Keroppi's desk is like the table is empty. If you like, and add in like cookies or snacks or other things that you like to eat, or the friend that you're gifting this drawing to likes to eat. Here I'm gonna add in some brown for the chocolate milk that he's drinking that he's so happy about, and then I'm gonna color in his mug. For the mug as well, you can think about like what kind of design do you want on the mug. Do you want a daisy on it? Do you want a happy face? Or maybe you're giving it to your dad as a Father's Day's gift, so you could possibly draw your dad on the mug or his initials on it and gift this to him. And instead of chocolate, maybe your dad would like coffee a bit more. So here is my Keroppi having chocolate milk in his favorite blue mug. So that is it for my drawing for today. I'm going to give you a closer look at this Keroppi drawing that I finished based on the Sanrio series. I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed drawing him. He's so cute. If you want, you can use like another marker to color in some background. Maybe like you can think about like, where is Keroppi having coffee or tea or hot chocolate? Maybe it's at a shop, maybe at his own bedroom, maybe in the kitchen. You can draw that in the background, and that will help you create more of a story behind what you're drawing. Here's a closer look at the Keroppi drawing. Thank you so much for joining me in this video of Keroppi easy step-by-step drawing. If you like this video, I appreciate it very much if you consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining me, and hopefully I will see you in future step-by-step drawing videos. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.